May I look some cocoa leaf, guys. Because in the title, I don't know, not doing every day. You see me? Some Steve cocoa with what name? Cabbage and all that. Saltfish and them thing there. With root breadfruit. Just look at that Dasheen leaf, guys. This guy's sticking to you, guys. But me do want to one them way. No float like this already. I want. I'm soon show you. If I show you what I want. I want a young one I don't want. Right now, guys, the breadfruit on the fire already. Like how it look, similar to that. But me now use much. Me now use enough of Dasheen leaf because I don't know what it tastes. Yeah man guys, so I now use enough Dasheen leaf, you know. Maybe a one or two because I don't know what that tastes. I never eat it before and all that, so I don't want to put too much in it and then I don't like it and then waste because I'm money spent by saltfish and everything else, so I can't make it waste, see me, you see me? So guys, I want you to leave a like on the video. Comment below and tell me what you think about these type of videos. And share it out, man. Yeah man, supporting and help me grow by the share the video. For your WhatsApp, for your Instagram, for your Facebook, for your TikTok, all about man, just screen record and just tag me in it and I can repost and everything. Help me grow, man. Subscribe for new to the channel, man. Yeah man, and follow me on Instagram, Jeff876 and Yard Style Cooking and Adventures. The link for the page them down below in the description, so you can just scroll down, click it and me follow. Yeah man, and if you are for the first time on the channel, you can go back and pre the video for a long time because I have enough video. Enough video when you can watch with the days. Right now I have I think over 100 videos if I'm not lying. If I'm not 100 or close to 100, but yeah man, go back and watch the video them man. Yeah man. Because you don't know, I have fry card, I fry corn. But I have enough video man, enough video I forward to me, enough adventures with that forward to me. Yes man. I do the work. Right now, I make some chocolate from scratch. I have the chocolate already, a son. Right? So when it's dry, I make it and thing, I vlog it and show them what I go and see me. So man, just subscribe and stay tuned. So I need to get the cocoa leaf, you know guys. I need to get the cocoa leaf. So I'm just Dasheen leaf, you know guys. Even this can use, you know. Even this can use, but want a nice clean one. Alright, here we go. I'll take this. And yeah man, so 2 leaf me I use. Nice them on 2 leaf. I'm gonna say the breadfruit already on the fire. A roast. Yeah man. So I'm gonna chicken back with it guys. Yeah man guys, so see the breadfruit here guys. The breadfruit here is start ripe already, you know. And it never seemed to 100%, so what I can get as much as possible out of it. You see me? And so I'm gonna use here some salt, season at the back here, and then onion, pepper, sweet pepper, garlic, thyme, scallion, some cabbage there, some saltfish here. Yeah man. And so the leaf I'm gonna use. Yeah man. 2 Dasheen leaf I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna start get them prepare. Yeah. Put in saltfish, go and boil same speed. Side of breadfruit. So go on do everything guys. I'm say give it a like. Come on, take a try a new thing. Put on the saltfish. right there. Yeah, man. And see that she leaf here. Some water for going to soak with some salt. Yeah, don't know. So guys, see that she here now. That she leaf here now. I change the water already now. Change the water already. So what I'm gonna do, I wash everything and clean everything in the water here. You know, you do me? And see the saltfish here and the breadfruit there. So water boil up now. So I'm ready now. I clean up. So by the time saltfish done boil off, you can put on the veg to steam. Yeah man guys, so scallion. Don't forget to clean up. Sweet pepper. So the garlic guys. I just use two still. Two. So let's see how this turn out guys, because I'm say never yet eat steamed Dasheen leaf. Cut the pot of tomato. See? For the Dasheen leaf. So what I'm going to do, I take out the tough piece here. Some people say, Lord, you know, easy, me not eat that. But me a couple years ago, I would say the same thing too. But me can't say, yeah man, guys, you can eat man and don't show no. Yeah man, guys, so this is it. You know? I don't know. Little salt, but not too much though. Little season. That is that. Yeah. So yeah guys, the petroleum saltfish I know. See saltfish here, and as you see, the fire now blaze, so I blaze it up now. So my breadfruit there now, I go and soak. Yeah man guys, the chefs there. Some saltfish are big and junky, some like it. I don't like when they me eat something saltfish, you know. It's like if you search for saltfish. No, I like see saltfish night. I don't know. Little bit of oil. And guys, I taste the saltfish a while ago and I tell them boil out to my salt with it. So what I'm going to do, I just lick it more at night. Yeah man, guys, so see what I go on there. Put on the fire and breadfruit can slide out now, because I don't want to burn up. But finish. But we finish guys. Whoa. The spoon hot guys, hot. Kita come down there guys, kita come down there. Kita come down there. Pretty, don't it? Colorful and nice guys. Yeah man guys, so see breadfruit here. It smells sweet. Cause ripe guys. See? It's actually ripe. Yeah man guys, so this is it. Some say come below and tell me what you think about these type of dishes. What you think about the steamed Dasheen leaf. Yeah man. But I need two of these lovely things right here. So yeah guys, so let's see what I'm gonna feed now guys. Taste the breadfruit first. Don't know. Soft body. Actually ripe. Try vegetable and now. Moment of truth guys. Guys, to be honest, I can't even taste that Dasheen leaf, I swear. Can't even taste it, I swear. The one here that's sweet. The pick it for that tree here, right here, so. Yeah, that's sweet. I should pick up the one there, so. The one better. So, I'm share long this guys and link in the back, you know, guys. I better get my kitchen in the next video. So I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna edit this right now and throw it up for tomorrow, which is Friday, cause this film Thursday. Yeah, but tomorrow after this, guys. Share the video, I say. Share it out. And give it a like and a comment and follow the IG. I'm gonna say before. Link below. The two page them, so little more guys.